Hey guys, today we are going to learn about trigger props. Cloud dimensions want to control which props are executed during the exploration phase. When devices are discovered and classified as Windows machines, in the short term, they want to remove the installed software prop because they have another method of doing software discovery. So, view phases of discovery and trigger props, we can able to do that. And also, we need to check the modification of Windows 2019 server classification. I'm going to show you the existing Windows Server discovery. We already provided IP addresses and all. Once this discovery got completed, you can see the trigger props. What is trigger props means? You can able to see once the classification has been completed, while the exploration phase, this kind of trigger props will get uh, showing installed software, Windows OS server, those kind of things. So I will just show you. So I just go to the Windows. Here, while we do the discovery, you can see this CMDB underscore CA. Inside the CMDB underscore CA, you can able to see the OS, which OS they are getting installed. So the operating system is 2019 data center. Here, the 2019 data center they have selected means we also select this server, 2019 data server. So I just open this one and just checking the trigger props. What are the trigger props in the exploration phase? So these are all the trigger props. ADME, PowerShell, then ADME, multi-prop, then installed software. So while doing the exploration, this installed software has been populated. So if I remove this one, let me do the discovery again. Here is our My Windows Server discovery. Again, I need to do the discover now. So the discovery status got completed. So once the discovery status got completed, the you can able to see that trigger props installed software. This is the 48. Previously, we have created this one 47. So here you can see installed software has been populated in this existing 47 discovery. So by mean, the prop called WMI runner Windows installed software is listed as an exploration prop, right? So whenever we do the exploration, do kind of things, whatever we need, we can able to customize in this 2019 server inside the related list of trigger props. So, what are the other exploration phases? ADM enhanced and Windows ADM. That means application discovery. This is the multi-probe Windows ADM. Those kind of things will be present in here. Horizontal discovery and then ADM, application dependency mapping. So those kind of things are present in the exploration phase of this discovery. So whatever we need, we can able to customize it in the trigger props. Based on the trigger props, the ECC queue will be populating. Okay.